Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself staring at a sea of grid lines while working in Figma and wondered, how do I get all of these out of my way? Today's video is just for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide all grids in Figma step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to work on a clean, distraction-free canvas whenever you need, whether you're finalizing a design, presenting to a client, or just want a clearer view of your work. Let's dive right in. First, open up Figma and head over to the file you're working on. If you're following along for the first time, don't worry, you can use any document, but for demonstration, I'm using a sample layout that already has some grid lines set up. You'll notice, especially if you're designing interfaces or wireframes, these grid lines can be incredibly useful for keeping everything lined up perfectly. But sometimes they can get overwhelming, or you just want a clean look to see your design in all its glory. Now let's start by hiding just the grid lines on a particular frame or element. Click on the frame where you've applied your layout grid. On the sidebar to the right, that's the Properties panel, you'll find a section called Layout Grid, here where the magic happens. Next to each grid you've added, there's a little eye icon. Go ahead and click that eye. As soon as you do, watch how those grid lines vanish, letting you focus purely on your design. If you ever need to bring them back, just click the eye again to toggle them back on. Think of this like flipping a light switch in a room. Sometimes you need the guide, and sometimes you just want to see clearly. Let's say, though, that you want to hide all the layout grids across your canvas, not just for a single frame. Maybe you've got tons of components, or you're showing your design to someone who doesn't care about your underlying structure. No problem, head up to the main menu at the top of Figma. From here, go to the View menu, then look for Layout Grids. There will be a check mark next to it if the grids are visible. Simply click on it to uncheck. This instantly hides all grids across your document, giving you a completely clean workspace, no matter how many frames or elements you have. It's like wiping the chalkboard clean before starting something new. Everything just feels more open and less cluttered. There's one more place you may want to check while you're adjusting your grids. Head back over to the sidebar on the right and look for the appearance options for your selected element. Here, there's another eye icon related to the grid overlay. Click that, and just like before, the grids will disappear for that specific element. This gives you even more control, letting you fine-tune exactly what you see, so you're never distracted when you want to focus, but can always bring the guides back when you need to make pixel-perfect adjustments. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you can declutter your Figma workspace and hide all those grid lines, whether you just need a temporary break or want to present your design in its cleanest form. Remember, you can always toggle these guides back on whenever grid precision matters again. Thanks for watching. If this quick Figma trick helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials on mastering Figma, just leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more design tips like these. See you in the next video.